Okay, so let's take a look at how you can sync your Notion's database item with one of the Trello card. So here is the card that I wish to put in, and this is my Notion's database item, right? So I will use Zapier. Now before I do that, I will go to apps, and within apps we have Notion, right? And we also have Trello, right? So these two things I have added from the apps, established a connection. So I will go back to dashboard and we will use AI prompt. Now what I will say is sync Notion table item with Trello card. So let's see if it allows us to create something. And here you see sync Notion database item with Trello cards. So we will be trying this one particularly, right? Where I'm going to choose the Notion account, click continue, then database, choose your Notion's Gmail Zapier page, then click continue, test this trigger, and then move on to Trello. For Trello we have this workspace called automate, and within that we have board Zapier. Now let's go back here. I have to choose one of the database item, selected record. Now I will create card with that, and I can also specify account. Then I have to specify what to add and where to add. So board, right? And then see list. Within that is Zapier one, where we add card. Can give it a label or ignore. Then can see what we can add. Finally there must be some things which are like name. So here I will choose name for name, then I will choose description with two items being content, and there must be one more subject or so. I'm not sure. Yes, it is. So these two things within description, and I will go back to continue. Now I will test this and then we can publish this app, right? So we are publishing this. If it publishes, it should sync the content between Notion and Trello board. It will create a card. So we'll take a look at the board. We have the card. Click on it. You have this content added within this particular title, right? So you get the idea how to connect your Notion to Trello list and update the card.